Today I'm going to show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on Xiaomi Redmi 9S. Now in the first step, open the Google Photos app. If you don't have it on your storage, you can download it from the Play Store. We are ready, so we can open it. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, for example. Tap on the Google Lens. And now we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges of the square to look for something more specific. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.